Okay, hello, welcome back to Clicky's Hen House. Yeah, it's been quite a while. I really don't want to get into why it has been, but let's just simply say it's going to be a short stream today. I can't even remember which video number this is because it's been that long, and let's just hop right into it. Alright, so here we are. Need to try and figure out and remember what I've been up to. Ben's got restaurant here. We seem to have gotten. Is that door model? Is it just the what's it called? Uh, what has been modeled with this? Is just the door frame. That's what they call door frame, right? Just a door frame. This actually seems to be a more complete door. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, let's just do with this door first. Go that F. Okay, so we need to go get one of these. Move it over here. Move it over here. That's gonna be big and do polycube like that and like that. Face. Delete these two faces. What I'm gonna do is select this edge and this edge. Select that tool, which will bridge it. This edge and this edge. Bridge it. This edge and this edge. Bridge it. This edge and this edge and bridge it. And we've just made that, which is nice. Okay. Let me grab these few faces. Just make it go a bit. Now what we're gonna do? Object. Make it far thinner. Move it over into here. Cross like so. Make it even thinner. Like so. And we'll select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Delete those faces. Like that. Vertex. Make that smaller. Move that over. Put that like that. Move that. Move it across. So it's like that. Yeah, like so. And we vertex like these ones. Move them all the way up here. Up. Move it up like so. Go. These vertexes. Move them all the way down. Like so. There we go. What I'm going to do now, we're going to Control 1, because these will all be pretty much delete all these faces. Yeah, let's yeah, we can delete these faces. Edge. We can extrude these ones out because that's the only one we need to actually go into it. Yeah, like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to quickly, I don't want that selected to go away. Okay. Control 1 again. Delete all that history. Now we need to grab out our trusty old UV unwrap tool. Figure out how this is going to work. I think what we need to really do is like these ones. Tools. Where are my tools? Show UV. Oh, here it is. Over here. We want to connect that to this. Want to sew those together. They'll unfold like, there we go, something like that. Move that. Let's move it all the way over there. Make it a bit smaller. Let's move it right out of the way. This way. Now what we're going to do, one, that we're going to Control D to copy it, move it across. Then we're going to go into this one. Want to scale on the X, make that -1 like so. Like that. Basically we want to make sure there's no seam, which there isn't. Like that. To have literally no idea why that just happened. Okay, like so. Yeah, there we go. We got some doors. Some glass doors. Right, now that's done. Like that. Want to delete all of its points. Yeah, and so that's good. Now what we're going to do, Control D, move it over here, move it across like so, and whoop. Actually what we're going to do, select these two, Control D, move it over here, want to set it to pivot, move it sort of flip them around like that, make it into here, that, like this. Select all these vertexes and move them down slightly, like so. Now what we're going to do, vertex, select this, move it up, select this, move it, oop, select this, move it down, select this, move it, oops, move it across, select this, oops, select all of it, move it up, like so, yep, like so. I'll do the same with this one, text, like that, move it downwards, select the okay, select these ones, move them sideways, select these ones, move them sideways, and select these ones and move them upwards. There we go. Look at that. We've got some doors appearing. Now what we're going to do with these doors, that we are going to make some door handles for them. Really simple what we're going to do. Let's select that. Control D. Move it over. Move it across. F to make sure we're centered. Downwards. I'm going to want to quickly get that way. Move it inwards. Across. And rotate it a lot. Make it smaller still. Oops. Like that. There we go. Now what we're going to do, we're going to create this coming off of it. Create a square, move it over, up, get a bit bigger, move it over, move it across, move it over, move it across, move it down, move it down, move it down. Okay, there we are. Now we're in it. Now we're cooking with gas. Make it like so. This face extrude downwards, extrude it slightly more, downwards, extrude, oops, and like so. Should look pretty good. It does. So now we're going to quickly make this. We are going to freeze its transformations, and now we're going to, oops, to select the edge, all these edges, select these ones as well. What we're going to do is that we're going to bevel them slightly, but less beveled than that, something like so. Like so, to, yep. Actually going to select this face, make it a bit more pronounced. Something like that. Control 1. Going to actually delete this face, like so. Yeah, I didn't. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to UV unwrap this sucker, so we'll get this all the way over here. We're going to select all the edges and sew them. Get the edge. Select these ones. Get out of the way. Get out of here, fly. Select these ones. Aha. Okie dokie. Let's control the bunch. If you made us a grave error. Yep. Oh, poo. Right. There we go. Let's try this again. Move that out of the way. Bevel. Slightly less. Like so. Face. Make that around about the same size. Move it out like so. Yep, like that. Now we're going to do everything we just did again, but slightly less poorly. Do like that. Move all the histories. Delete this face. And now what we're going to do, properly this time, select the edges. And we'll go from there to there, there to there, there to there, and yep, there to there. What we're going to do, get our UV tool, cut across those lines. Also going to edge. I forgot to do this. Select this all the way over to there, and that one. I'm gonna sew them together. If this is correct. Oh, we also got one there. Edge. So there we go. Now if we're correct. Yeah. I guess that'll do. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, that'll be fine. UV shell selected. We'll move it over here. Move our UV tool back over here. Oops, what have I done? Alright, select that. Control 1. There we go. And do that bunch again. Now we're going to select these two. Just going to delete the history on both of those. Combine them just to make my life easier, like so. Then Control D, move across, next to the pivot center. Yep. Do we want to go on the x-axis? Actually, we want to go -1, like so. There we are. Slightly over like that. There we go. Now, what we're going to do, door is that, it's that one. I'm going to select this and this. This and this. Create a bunch of history. Combine them. Do that. Delete this. That's not going to be used anymore. Right, now we're going to Control D. Move it on over. Just rotate it. Move it up. Move it across. Across like so. Now we need to go into this vertex. Oops. Go down slightly. Like this. Make it go across slightly. Like this. Make it go across slightly. Yeah, like that. And now we just need to add these two. We can just simply get these two. Control D. Move it over. Oops. That. Like so. Or one. Oops. Face. Go for those. Move them all the way into that. So it's just slightly. And delete them. Hooray. Right. Hey, we're making good progress. Got the doors done. Yes, that's the doors finished. Nice. Yeah. Think I'm again gonna call it a short stream. Not, you know, I managed to stream at all today, which is good in my books, despite everything that happened recently. So that's nice. So yeah, I'll upload this to YouTube like normal, and I'll be streaming again next week, hopefully, if I manage to gain up the courage again. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.